So, this may have no relevance on anything, but I came out here and I thought that was a star. It's not. It's a big ass helicopter just hovering there. I don't know if I can bring it into focus again. Why? Uh, I don't know. But it can't hold itself. Uh, and I can't get it into focus now. But when I look at that, it's just sitting there. It's really odd. For Sprague River, it's odd. Anyway, there was a plane, sounded like a spotter plane. Don't know. I can still hear him, but he's back behind the trees now. Anyway, I came out here and thought I would show you what we look like on a semi normal night. We do have smoke. That might be what he's watching because I see smoke coming up from behind Saddleback again. So we do have smoke coming up, and that's been doing really well lately. I don't know what day this is. Don't even ask me. I think we're on week 3 or something. Anyway, like, it's just not going to take good film tonight. Showed my age, aren't I? But look at that light back there. It's so weird. Anyway, back to the smoke. It is, playing up back there again. Got a little breeze. Probably got kicked up from yesterday. We had pretty good winds going. But I'm not seeing any flame, which is beautiful. Um, yeah. It's a full moon, looks like. I can't see. Nah, not quite. We're almost there, though. It's usually very quiet. It's cold out, too. We are definitely seeing our fall weather. Yeah, that's a helicopter over there. How odd. Huh. Anyway, I thought that was interesting, and I just wanted to share some of the. Shit came out a little bit ago. You can see where that's got a little bit of activity going back there. And then to the right of it again, we've got some activity going on there. Nothing crazy, I'm sure. They're really good about being on top of these fires. Well, there's a glow. That just popped up back there in the distance. And of course, it gets worse the closer I try to get. But, yep. So, got little activity still going on. Anyway, most nights I get to enjoy, you know, looking out at all this prettiness. Everybody have a good night. If I decide to post this. Oh, wait, there's a spotter plane. Where did you go? Above the trees. Yep, there's a flash. There he is. So I don't know what's going on. Kind of odd to see them. And, or is that the train? Somebody tell me if I'm wrong. They're awful low, though, if it is the train. Maybe it is. I have only seen this 3 times in all the years I've lived out here. Probably because I'm in bed at 7 o'clock. But that's really interesting to see it. Maybe the helicopters. I don't know. I'm taking wild guesses in the dark at Sasquatch here. But anyway, it looks like the satellite train, but it's awful low to be the satellite train. So I'm just theorizing wrongly, I'm sure. Anyway, um, yeah, and up above the helicopter, if you can see, barely, there's another one. So I don't know what the heck's going on out here. Very strange for Sprague River. But I'm going to guess they're keeping an eye on the fire. So I'll update you if I have any information later on tonight.